Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to convert a diagram from Droyo to PowerPoint. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in PowerPoint, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Converting a Droyo diagram to a PowerPoint presentation is a very simple process that is useful for a lot of purposes, such as for educational, professional, and collaborative scenarios. So once you are inside the Droyo application or the Droyo website, I want you to hover to the interface wherein you can add more diagrams as you go along the way. For example, I'm going to be adding this to my diagram because I'm gonna export it later and then convert it to a PowerPoint. So I've been meaning to use this, right? Now, you see, this is gonna be page 1, right? What I'm going to do is add a new page right here, insert a new page, and I'm going to create another diagram here, but I'm gonna use the flowchart, which is gonna be a lot easier for me to work with. Right, I'm gonna add this, maybe add this one right here. For example, this arrow. I'm going to the enemy relationship. I'm gonna add this at the bottom. It's a very few quick steps. This. So for example, I have like 2 pages which I'm gonna convert as presentation slides to Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is, you might want to click the export option. You can choose from any of the following, like PNG, JPEG, WebP, but I'm gonna use PDF from this, and I'm going to choose, you can choose from all of the pages, from page 1 to the current page, or you can select from the pages only, but I'm gonna choose the all pages. Page 1, you can use the crop factor, but I'm not going to do that. You can also put in the grid and add a transparency background. What I'm going to do is click the export button. Now, you have multiple options here. You can use your Google Drive as your storage option, or you can use your OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, and GitLab. But instead, I'm going to click the download button. I'm going to save it to my computer instead. Once the file has been started, now, what I'm going to do is, I am going to be using a free platform using Canva, wherein they offer a free PDF to PowerPoint converter. All you have to do is upload your file and you can simply drag and drop it here, right? Now in this scenario, once it's been uploaded, it'll take a little while. But the good thing about Canva is it's free. You can create a free account here, and the diagram has been added. You remember that the pages we have exported to Droyo are PDFs, and now I'm going to be using them here by going to the option right here that says PowerPoint. But of course, from here, if you wanted to make it interactive, you can do more things. You can go to the element section. For example, we're going to be choosing elements. You can choose from any of the following. You can add more graphics here, like a stickers, flying this, right? You can put that. You can put in like these holiday season kind of vibe to make it more interactive, right? On the second one, I'm going to add maybe like this right here, just to make it like a little bit interesting. It's up to you. You're not kind of limited. And on the bottom right here, I'm gonna choose this as it is. So once you are happy with this, just click the Microsoft PowerPoint option in the top right corner. If you do that, you will be asked if you want to download your design as a Microsoft PowerPoint document. You might want to click the save download settings so that if you ever recur this task and re-download it'll save your settings. All right, so you're not gonna be putting in the dimensions and the sizes. All I have to do is click the download button. Takes a little while. Now the file has been downloaded. Right now, third thing is you might want to go to your Microsoft PowerPoint account. Here, all I have to do is go to your PowerPoint. All right, click that. You can start opening from a template and then add your diagram later, or just click the blank presentation. But instead, what we're going to do is open the presentation right here from the recently uploaded file. See that? I'm gonna click the open, and it will be forwarded to the PowerPoint presentation we're in. From here, you can add more information as you go along the way. All right. So I have like 3 slides wherein that is going to be the 3 pages or 2 pages that I have created in Droyo. Although Droyo doesn't have like an convert option, but they have a thing called add-ins, where if you want to add diagrams using Droyo, you can also do that. We have a separate video on how to use Droyo and add your diagrams here directly. That you might want to check in our channel. All right, so from here you can basically add more diagrams using Droyo. I'm not going to show you that. You have to watch our separate video for that. Another option that you can do is, since you're already on the Droyo application, if you don't want to convert it to PDF, instead what you can do is export it as PNG, like an image. Right, click on export, and I'm going to choose now, instead of the local computer or my device and then hovering back to Canva. If you don't want that, you might want to click the OneDrive. All right, click on it because my OneDrive is integrated to Droyo. OneDrive is part of the Microsoft's ecosystem. It's their cloud storage option. I'm gonna click on save. Takes a little while, but when I hover back now to my OneDrive account, you will notice that I have already, you see, just now, I was able to save the Droyo diagram directly to my OneDrive, and when I click it, I would be able to open it, this PNG right here. All right, so these are going to be your options. Or the last option is click this export as PNG. Click export and save it to your computer right now. Click on OK. Once it's downloaded, switch quickly to your Microsoft PowerPoint. And in the PowerPoint, I want you to click on New Slide right here and insert a picture. That's going to be from your device. And I'm going to attach the image right here. All right. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.